Real-time systems often rely on distributed software systems. So it's crucial to establish interoperable interconnectivity between these systems so they can communicate with each other. Now it's getting more common for system designs to be built on event-driven architecture. Why? Because this way you can enable efficient real-time communication between system components and systems without them being aware of one another. In this video, I'm going to talk about event-driven architecture and its most commonly used messaging pattern, publish-subscribe. That's because the data distribution service is implementation of event-driven architecture. I will explain how things work within event-driven architecture, what differentiates this architecture from other architectures, and if this architecture is good fit for your system.